Okay, so for my planning template example, I've chosen to talk about a lynx, which is a type of animal that I would love to see. So in the intro part of the planning template, I have done bullet points of just different ideas that I'd like to include. I might not include all of it. I've got something that I might have as my hook, which is a question. I've got some facts that would maybe back up my hook. And then I have the list of subtopics that I want to talk about. So I've only done short sentences or short words in my plan. Okay, so in the bulk section of my planning template, I've got my 3 different subtopics, and I've written the heading at the top. I've got lynx habitat, where they live, lynx appearance, what they look like, and lynx diet, which is what they eat. And then when I've done my research, I've written down different facts, and again, just in bullet points, just the different key ideas so that I can turn these into different sentences. Okay, and in the planning template for my conclusion, I have just done one of my opinions, and I've just relisted my subtopics, and I thought of an ending sentence that I could include. If I want to, I can change it when I come to do my writing. Okay, so something that we need to make sure when we're doing our planning is that we only do bullet points and we only do keywords and key phrases. We don't want to take up the whole box writing out lots and lots of sentences, because that just gives us extra writing that we have to do. You can see up the side of this planning template, it's got all the different things that you can include in your writing so that you make sure you include them in your planning template. So the planning template really is to help us when we're doing our writing. When I'm doing my writing, I don't include everything that's on my planning template, so I just highlight the things that I will include. So once I've highlighted it, I can add it into my paragraph. Then I can come back, highlight the next part I want to include, and then once I've done that, I know what information I've used.